Oh, here we go. Hey guys, it's me checking in with the video. I've got... Oh god. Now look. Let me drink. Make myself drink, innit? Are we drinking? Huh? No, no, oh god. What are we going to do when we go back then? Are we taking the train? Mum, are we taking the train back? Guys, just to let you know, we're in Todwick. No, we're in Sheffield. Like the Sheffield, what's this place called? What's this place called? We're in Meadow.
Yeah.
We're in Meadow in Sheffield. Look, it's video. Video's on. That's right, guys. No, I'm saying to you, Dad, what are we going to do when we go back home then?
I could answer.
Don't eat like that. That's too much for you, John. Why? Right. I'm not saying to you, John. Yeah. Tomato? Dad. Them things over there.
Huh?
Them things over there.
Oh, yeah.
Should I check a video then?
He wants it.
Fine. Look at your phone going off.
He's just handy, isn't he?
What then? What trade collection point? No, bin. Dad. Guys, look, here's my dad enjoying his dinner. Look. Say hello.
Hello guys, how are you?
Wave at him.
I'm enjoying me chicken legend with
What is it, Dad?
mayonnaise and chips and...
No, it's what he got. That's what he's got, guys.
and a Diet Coke.
Oh, say again?
And a Diet Coke.
Yeah. So it's still recording anyway. He's got a chicken Mac Legend with lots of... He asked for extra mayo in it.
What's it? Yeah.
Did you forgot to say that? Oh, you. I don't know if you did. Oh. I got smoky barbecue dip. If you didn't catch that, I got smoky barbecue dip. It's a bit... It's a bit spicy. Not too much because it's smoky. I guess it's because it's for the big and tasty burger, not just for fries.
They don't empty.
Oh. That's hot.
What?
Smoky, isn't it? I'm telling them why it's spicy a bit.
Orange.
Huh? What? No, I won't. Brain freeze. Is it still recording? Oh, good. Oh, Dad, my voice. My voice changed. That's the one I've got, guys. If you can't see that, I'll show you. I'll turn around and see if I can see it myself. Oh shit! Focus that. Yeah, that's what it's called. Smoky barbecue. Look, it's smoky. You shut that case a bit. Imagine this was your. Imagine this was you, Dad, in here on alone. You know, imagine this was you here on your own. Would you be able to find yourself?
I wouldn't.
What?
I wouldn't come here on my own, so I don't know.
I bet you would. I bet you would. Wouldn't you? What? You imagine him on YouTube himself. Yeah, I know.
Once I get used to it, I'll be alright.
I've got a fucking camera in your hand. Fish fillet burger.
Okay.
That. I'm going to hold it in between my legs. Wait a minute. Shit.
They don't in the van, they know where to see this snap road.
No.
But then it took me a while to get used to open, didn't it too?
I also asked for extra tartar sauce and I asked them to put pickles in it. I was about to say extra pickles, but not. What? I said extra pickles. I said to them, I asked for extra tartar sauce, and then I told them I got pickles, and I was about to say this, extra pickle. I was about to say I got extra pickles, but no, you have to ask pickles with it. Just don't get that with it, unless you do. I don't know. What? That over there, that bin. That bin over.
That lob's food.
Huh?
That lob's food.
No, it eats the rubbish. It crushes it. Dad, look. That will get that, and it goes down like that, and it. Watch, look. Is that all gone? You ate them all? There's still one in there. Look. Oh, and it does this, ready? Look. Watch. It does this, ready? Look.
Oh, really?
It crushes it like that. That's what that does. Oh, don't ask me though.
I bet you couldn't even bring that on the bus, could you? Yeah? Sorry, Bear?
What?
Oh, you can't. Oh, you can't.
You can. She said you can drink on the train, not can't drink on the train. Dropped a bit on my thumb, a little bit of foam.
Oh, no, because it's
What?
You're saying you can't smoke on the train.
Oh no, you can't do that.
No, you can't. And back home, you can't smoke on the trains either. Because €1,000 the penalty. First time, 500. Second time, 1,000. And you cut the fourth time, it's 1,000 or in prison. No, them days is gone, isn't it? It's gone.
Oh shit. Can't get it up.
What do you cigarette?
Yeah, I've seen that.
What's that?
No smoking, including e-cigarettes.
I left it on me burger. No, on me burger box is holding the camera, guys. My phone camera.
Oh, you got bacon when you go to
Huh? Oh yeah, I've got bacon. Oh, I've also got bacon on it. But I forgot to tell you, I added bacon on it as well. Sorry, guys.
Look,
What? 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 What?
that's not a problem tea. It's just some nuts. I find it hard to eat. I
What?
can't chew it.
Why? What do you mean cut it?
You eat.
Oh, what? Crunchy bits? Well, that's how the chicken's made, isn't it? Crunchy. Is it wet though? Is it dry?
No, it's wet.
Just the same, they're gonna off now.
Or 76. You come back down, I don't.
It's nice. Too much. Brain freeze, Dad. Oh, God.
Oh? Oh, you got a brain freeze.
Oh, God. Oh, that's better. Oh, God. Too much. That's why I know I was going to cough. Oh, that's better.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get some heat into my nose. Wait a minute. Ah. Spit it out, Dad.
No, I don't have the machine. I don't use them.
What ones? Them ones.
Them. They only want them, but we're gonna, I said, you want to put your card. I don't.
I'm trying to eat the
phone.
phone, Dad. Dad, I'm trying to suck up the phone, not fucking drink at the bottom.
Yeah, then, yeah.
That's what I was trying to do.
Have you ended up damaging the car? Put your car.
No. The
What do
card
you do?
doesn't get. No, the card doesn't go straight into it like a fucking ATM,
What
does
do you
it?
do? Just order, let's say I was on my own. Chicken legend, medium coke, and chips. Just press what you want, then press finish, and then chip in your... Look,
What?
look, it's chewing the stuff.
How do you know?
Cinema, highlights.
Wait a minute. Let me go check that. I'm going to check if that thing does it. Should I go check if it crushed it?
Yeah.
I'll go check. Oh, let's try this in. Oh God! It will crush it now. I said. Dad, I said it will crush it.
Right.
Just a minute. It'll go red in a minute.
Oh.
It is nice here as well, guys. If I'm putting my face too close to the camera, I'm sorry, because I can't see it. Because I've got it on the front way, and I've put it sideways as well for a full screen, so you guys can see it. Because Charlie, what he did was he told me, like, give me a widescreen, which I have done in my reaction videos as well. So just to let you know that. Although sometimes I'd have to hang it up, like I'd had it that way or this way. I prefer having it that way, but sometimes I have to do it this way as well.
Don't put your hands so good.
What?
Look, never put your hands into that.
Oh, Now, why would you put your hands in that machine? You think that you put your hands in that? You watch it, look. What sense it had?
No, do the one. Do the one.
No, let him open the oven. Come on, John. Let's put it in there. John.
Why?
It's not in properly. Emmett. It's not in. Oh, wait. Oh, see, look. No. I'll flatten it. Oh.
Imagine me doing that all day, eating
What?
like that.
What? You wouldn't be able to do it. You wouldn't be able to do that, Dad.
Imagine I fell into that just there.
No, that thing has to shut all the way for it to do that. Well, unless it did.
Gosh, that's how it can fail.
Unless it did.
Let's say I got into that, I'm only pretending.
That thing would crush your head.
I don't understand it.
It's like a garbage truck. It would crush your head like a garbage truck. That's what he's saying. That thing it's got a crusher. Oh, it's doing it again. Look, the red light's on, Dad. Dad. Am I putting this on them or not? Image on. Is that still recording? Please God. Alright guys, I'm going to stop it here because and I'll be back to you after. I'm just going to press that little. I'm going to pause it for a minute, pause the video, and then I'm going to start off again when we get onto the train tracks or something like that. Because I don't want to waste storage. It's been 16 minutes already. I'll see you when I get onto the train, alright? Bye.
Right, you were seated. What? Well, I think I'm a bit disappointed that you're so
Ja, det gick ju direkt ett tåg via Sheffield.
Why we've stopped. The reason why I couldn't talk. Sorry, I'm gonna go a second. I'm saying that I couldn't. What's it? The reason why I couldn't talk is because there was a guy sitting next to me. And yeah, I didn't want him to see me.
Apologies for the delay, ladies and gents. Just being held at a red signal outside of Sheffield. As soon as that signal clears, we can make our way to Sheffield Station.
What the fuck is going on? I'm going to the toilet, but I'm not letting you guys see naked, man. Oh shit, the seat's not down. Sorry, guys. Guys, I don't know what the fuck is going on, but the train is stopped. We've gone under like 3 tunnels, and I have no idea what's going on right now. Oh, that's better. Sit down the seat. I'm not fucking drinking. Look at that. I'm not drinking. Not drinking wine. That guy up there, look, that's where he talked out of. That computerised fucker, whatever, I don't know, computerised. Oh my god. Because I don't know what the fuck's going on. I'll just come in here for, I think, number 2. I don't think you guys really want to know what I'm going for. I'm just saying though that we've been in this train for like what? Fucking 10 minutes? How long have I recorded for? Gee, oh, only 7 minutes. Oh. Guys, I think we're moving. Look. You can see it, it'll be turned dark. I hope no one tries to take my fucking bag. I've brought my bag with me as well.
Okay, ladies and gents, we'll shortly be arriving into Sheffield where this service terminates. When you leave the train, please make sure you take your belongings with you and please mind the gap between the train and the platform. See anything suspicious on Sheffield station, please report it to a member of station staff. Sheffield will be your final station stop.
My fucking ears, you cunt. It's fucking loud, guys. Oh my god. Oh. Guys, oh my god. I think we've just... Guys. I hate my fucking legs itchy. Guys. That guy, that cunt is loud. That is loud. That guy is loud. What the fuck is going on? Oh my god. And that thing up there, I think that's to stop the train in case you have a bit of a seizure or whatever. Oh my god. That's why I had to put it in my pocket. And also, the reason why I couldn't talk is because there was a guy sleeping there. That's why I was saying he was sleeping like that. I don't think you could hear me. But that's why I came in here, so I could have a bit of a chat with you guys. Also, like I said, when I was coming out of the, whatever it's called, we were in Todwick and now we're heading back to we were in Sheffield, I don't know, like a centre, I don't know what it's fucking called. It's some like sort of centre, but wait, what's it called again? Let me think a minute, guys. Oh yeah, oh. Are we in the tunnel now? I don't know. Stop getting distracted, Jack. Think. What are you going to tell you guys? Oh shit. I don't know, guys. It was like a. Just to say, I'll just say it's a Sheffield centre, but basically you can just go whatever. That's it, Meadowhall. It was Meadowhall. That's it. We were in Meadowhall, and now we're heading from Meadowhall back to Todwick. Oh shit. God. I was in shock right now. Holy shit. I let it shit myself. See, that's where you have that look. I had it from lock. There. I had it from lock. Oh shit, guys, I think we're leaving. I gotta stop for a minute. Oh guys, I'm back. I don't know why the train fucking stopped.
No, because signal, it was waiting on the platform signal.
The tram level.
There it is, the lift.
Lift going down. Doors opening.
Tram, nobody tram, the bus station.
What?
The bus station.
Oh, what the fuck? Well, what are we doing here then? I'd go on the... Wait a minute. I don't know. Where are we going to then? Oh, fuck. Too busy. Dad, Mum, Dad, look at this. They're naked. Look behind you, they're naked. Oh, there's a picture. All naked. See it?
I would not come here in New York.
No, but why are they all naked?
It's only missed.
There was people naked. Oh shit! I didn't have it sideways. I thought I had it upwards like that, not that way.
See, I'm used to the trains back home to.
Would you?
But you're not back home when you're here.
No. Train tracks. That's the train tracks gone, isn't it? Yeah, we're back. Oh, where are... Guys, I literally got trapped on the train. That's why I had to end the video, because someone was trying to open the door to let me know. Because they're wondering where I was. You were wondering where I was, weren't you?
Yeah.
Do you want to tell them? That's why, when I was in the bathroom, do you want to tell them? Tell them.
Tell who?
The people in there.
Oh, I was looking for my son Jack on the train. I got a friend, but he was in the bathroom. That's, you know.
Yeah, that's why I got stuck.
Yeah.
No, because I was wondering where I was, guys.
I know.
Yeah, guys, like that.
And I was wondering, guys, where my son was.
Oh, I was wondering where I was too. Oh, shit. What's that? What? Keep going every second where you go. We don't know where the fuck we're going. Mum keeps telling us, you should go that way, go this way. I don't fucking know. Oh, guys, I'm going to show you this before we leave. You know, on the bus. Oh my god, look at this. Dad, I'll show them that. Look. Show them all that, Dad. It's all fountains, Mum. Look at all of it. See all my fountains? See all the fountains, fam? Some people say fam like that. But look at it. See it, fam? See that, guys? When people say fam, some people say that. I'll tell you guys, that is bad and good. Right, we're crossing the road. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, how are we supposed to get past this? Wait. He's just walking past the road. Look. He's walking past the road like that. Wait.
That's what happens. It doesn't pave to the grave. That's quite them nice there.
Are we going? We're stopping. Oh. See that fat guy, man? Jesus. That's why I turned the camera around, guys. The guy that has the Vodafone thing on, that's the guy I was looking at. I was about to go home. Alright. Look at him. Look. See him. Oh, also there's a homeless guy down here as well. There's a fucking dog there. I tell you, if he went for me, I'd give him a bash in the fucking face with my foot. I know that's animal cruelty, but I don't care. I'll do it my fucking self, I'd defend myself. Because I ain't getting killed by a fucking dog. Manslaughter. I'd get fucking done. If that man attacked me, he'd go to prison. No, he'd go to court for manslaughter. That's what would happen to him if he attacked me. Not the dog, but the man I'm talking about now. The man did. But if that dog attacked me, I'd go have a complaint with him. I'd give him a fine. Take him to court on the accident. That's what I'd do to him. Because I don't know if I'm old enough to go for court to, you know, get him in jail and find him for that. Just the dog's attacked because the dog attacked me. Isn't it, Dad? Dad?
I think it's C-section.
Huh? Wait a minute, wait. No, you can't
Stop.
What?
Tell him to stop.
Where are we going then? Thank you. Yeah? Alright, innit? What? Wait a minute, I've got to stop this.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, I might stop it here. I had to do so many cuts in this because it took up so much storage. I might be thinking of getting that 64 Hawaii, you know, it's a curry phone. You can get it for $199, but there's one for £199.99.
Yes, I will not be coming here to jail.
Right.
see.
Oh, wait, Dinnington. Yeah. If I get that, I'll have 64 gigabytes. Okay. Sorry guys, I had it the wrong way around. I don't know what way I'm having this camera around, but it's just weird. But this thing, I might be getting that 64 gigabyte phone. Oh, sorry, mum. I was just gonna say, because I might have to get that phone, because if I have 64 gigabyte and I'll be able to record up longer with you guys. So, I get 32 gigabyte on my phone. I get 32 gigabyte on my phone, guys. That's what I was saying, I get 32 gigabyte. I don't know when I'm ordering it, but I'm going to order it sometime. And then we can do more movies, because this phone probably couldn't record it to an hour like I did on the Christmas video. No, it's not, I'm fine. Just like on my Christmas video I did on Rudolph. Like I did on Rudolph the First Reindeer. I don't know if this phone would be able to do it again. That's the thing. Oh god, here comes a lady now. Look at, I don't want to record her. I don't want her in my video. Oh god. She's right there. Look. No, I don't want to show it, but fuck it. Look at it. Look behind me. Look. I don't know. Look behind me. I fucking had the case off the fucking screen. I didn't realise it was off the screen, guys. Sorry. Look behind me. Look at that lady behind me, mum. There, the one that's just sat down. She has that on her eyes, she has this. I'm just saying. When are we going back home then? Oh, you know what, I'm going. Oh, Dad. Guys, I might have to just end it here, and when I get back on the bus, I'll start it again. I'm just gonna, what do you call it? Yeah, end it, and then I'll use my editing thing to cut, and then it'll go to the next video where I'll do an editing, because I can't do this. Oh no, it's too much. Oh fuck's sake! I don't know how to open this, guys. Sorry. Right. I'll see you guys when I start a new video after. When we're in the bus, then I'll start the video again. See ya. I'll start the video again when I'm back on the bus. Hey guys, I'm sorry. My battery will be going dead soon, so I won't be able to do it on the bus. I've got like 15% battery left. But guys, I hope you have enjoyed. I was gonna wait for the bus, but he hasn't turned up yet. The bus. Oh wait a minute. No, I don't know if the bus has turned up yet. I don't know if that's the bus there. See that bus? That's not, I don't think that's the bus. I don't know. Right guys, I hope you enjoyed this day. I know it's probably been like, a lot of minutes I've been adding the videos a lot. Well guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. Look, there's the train that's been taking us up there. There's a train, look. There's a train there, look. See it, that thing sliding? That was the train. That was the train that took us to go. Just saying. But guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. For any video, please don't forget to hit that like button, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to share with friends, and don't forget to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on the new video that I upload every day or every day, like one day after, I don't know. I might be doing a video every single day, like after one day's gone, I don't know. But guys, I'm going to end the video now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. We just end it now. Goodbye.